It takes less than 4 minutes to change the battery of China's electric vehicles. From the moment the vehicle enters the exchange station, the dead battery is removed and a fully charged one is replaced, and the process is completed in less than 4 minutes. NIO's newest brand is the Ledao L60. The electric car is targeted at Chinese families and is offered at an affordable price of around 210,000 yuan. The L60 is comparable in size to the Tesla Model Y, and the two will compete directly. However, unlike the Model Y, the Ledao L60's battery can be changed directly at the NIO battery exchange station. The vehicle's batteries can be changed at 4th-generation battery exchange stations. The first site of the battery exchange station went into operation this summer and is designed to be compatible with a wider variety of batteries. The Onvo L60 also has a battery capacity of 60 kWh and 84 kWh, with two available in 75, 100 and 150 kWh. The Ledao L60 uses thinner batteries made by BYD, with a capacity of only 60 or 84 kWh, while NIO's higher-end models are equipped with 75, 100 or 150 kWh batteries. NIO also said that it has made some improvements to the battery swap station, and now the total time for the battery swap process takes only 144 seconds. After the vehicle shifts into reverse, it will automatically shift to N gear and perform a system check. The vehicle then automatically cuts off the main power supply, the infotainment screen and air conditioning still work normally, and then rises. The old battery is removed and a new one is installed. Finally, the vehicle will undergo a final inspection. Once the speedometer and gear lever are displayed again, the vehicle can continue to be driven. The entire process takes 3 minutes and 44 seconds, including the time it takes for the vehicle to enter the battery swap station, which is the same time it takes to refuel a fuel vehicle. Even fast DC charging cannot be faster than this. NIO opened its first battery swap station in Guangdong province in 2018. NIO announced on December 13 that its battery swap service has exceeded 60 million. The company currently has 2,785 battery swap stations in China, 909 of which are located on highways. As of July this year, NIO had 2,500 battery swap stations worldwide, 51 of which were in Europe.